In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an intro and outro to your InVideo project. We're keeping this simple and focused so you can get a professional start and finish on your video in just a few moments using InVideo's built-in prompt feature. First, head over to InVideo. Open it the same way you normally do, whether that's in your browser or through the app. From there, go to your existing InVideo project, the one you want to enhance with an intro and an outro. This approach works best when your media and basic edits are already in place, so the tool can frame your content with a clean opening and a polished closing. Next, give the project a moment to load fully. You'll know the editor is ready when your timeline, preview window, and tools are visible and responsive. If it feels a bit slow, that's usually just the media and assets initializing in the background. A stable internet connection helps here, and keeping your browser tab active ensures the loading process isn't interrupted. Once everything is ready, look for the prompt box within the editor. Depending on your version or layout, it may appear near the top or in a sidebar. Click into that prompt box and type exactly, add an intro and outro. This short instruction tells InVideo to automatically generate a cohesive opening and closing tailored to your project's content and style. It's a fast way to get branded bumpers without building them from scratch. Now click on Generate. When you do, InVideo will begin analyzing your project and assembling an intro and an outro that fit your existing timeline. You might see a spinner or progress bar while the system does its work. This step can take a little time, especially if your project is longer or includes higher resolution assets, so it's perfectly normal to wait here. As the generation finishes, the changes will appear directly in your project. You should notice new segments added at the beginning and end of your timeline, often with clean transitions, titles, or simple brand-ready visuals depending on your template and content. At this point, you're done with the process described in this walkthrough. The intro and outro are in place, ready to support your video's message and give it a professional arc from start to finish. That's all there is to it. You've successfully used InVideo's prompt box to add an intro and an outro with a single command, saving time while keeping your project consistent and polished.